These are just some things that you can do at the pharmacy that I don't think a lot of people know about. Pharmacists are not just in the back counting prescriptions. I think that's what a lot of people think about, like, oh, I'm just counting pills, but it's way more.
This is pharmacy tech at Arvada West. Today we got to see what it's like when we have the CU pharmacy students come and visit and take over my classroom.
Pharmacists are considered first-time providers.
We are meeting with local high school students to just kind of talk about pharmacy, help to expand the knowledge about what pharmacy is, the role that pharmacists have, not only to their specific patients, but to the community and public health as a whole.
I never knew in high school or even undergrad what pharmacy was, except for working at a pharmacy, at a community pharmacy like CVS. So I feel like people should be exposed to this as soon as possible so that they can kind of decide for themselves if this is the right path for them.
So where this line is essentially where you're going to wake up the blood.
It's having them tell us what it's actually like and what it's like in the real world to do this has been really nice.
So it not only gives us a real life view into the actual field that maybe we're interested in going into, but it gives us an opportunity to talk to people who are closer to our age on a more one-on-one level and get the schooling details and student loan costs and things that are interesting to us in this moment when we're trying to make decisions.
I'm gonna test your blood sugar. Is that okay?
Yes.
Awesome. To get consent for it.
They are able to talk to students on a different level than if a professional pharmacist came in.
Perfect.
These CU students are able to talk about their experience right now as they're in college, some of the fears that they face, some of the hurdles that they overcame.
From like college perspective, they said that a lot of their professors want them to be balanced out with their life and not be too burnt out.
All of the different pathways that you can go into to be a pharmacist and the internships you can get, and just I never thought about how many different places that pharmacists work.
You can work within a pharmacy once you are 18. I actually have 2 students from last year that are working in pharmacies right now.
I'm super passionate about pharmacy, so I definitely want people to know about all the things they can do with this degree and as a pharmacist.
And they're showing us that the world is our oyster and we can do what we want and we can make decisions for ourselves, and that they're willing to help us with that.
Just one of the reasons why pharmacy is really great.
And it's motivating to hear how much they like it and all of the different job opportunities that you can have.
Do we have any questions before we move on?